Today on Sesame Street, we're going to have the letters A.
Right, Bird.
And N.
Right again, Bird.
And Snuffy, the number 15.
Right again, Bird.
And also, we're going to have an adventure.
An adventure?
Yes, an adventure.
Wow! What's an adventure, Bird?
An adventure is something exciting that happens to someone. And today, that someone is us.
Wow, Bird, an adventure! I can't wait, Bird. Wait a minute, Bird. I'm not dressed for an adventure. Wait here. I have to go get dressed. I'll be right back, Bird.
But dressed for an adventure? Why does he have to get dressed for an adventure? Oh, hi. I'm waiting for Snuffy to come back, dressed for an adventure, so we can go have an adventure. I wonder what kind of adventure we're going to have. What would be really exciting? I know. Maybe we'll chase some bad guys on horseback. Imagine that. I'll get my old trusty horse. Okay, Paint. Okay, Snuff, saddle up. We're gonna go after the bad guys. Uh-oh, they're getting away. After him, cloppity-clop, cloppity-clop. Uh-oh, look, they're gonna cross the bridge across the mountain pass. Oh, no, they got across and they blew up the bridge. Kablooey! Now how will we get across? Oh, I know. We can cross the bridge on that one rope that's left. We'll tightrope walk. Careful. Bring the horses, Snuff. Gotta get across. We made it across, Snuff. And now, let's go after the bad guys. Okay, we got you cornered, you bad guys. Put them up. Now you're gonna go to jail. Whoop. What's that? Oh, it's my phone. Coming. Hello.
Hello, Bird?
Oh, hi, Snuffy.
Oh, Bird, my mommy says I have to clean up my room before I go have an adventure.
Oh.
So I won't be coming back for a little while.
Well, okay, Snuffy. We'll just have to wait to have an adventure then.
Yeah, sorry about this, Bird. I'll hurry it up as fast as I can, okay?
Bye.
Bye-bye, Birdie.
Come to think of it, my nest could use a little cleaning up. Now, where's my broom? Oh, here it is, old Paint. Okay, gee. Wonder where these footprints came from. And all those little pieces of rock. It's dirtier in here than I thought. Down, up, down, down. Oh, hi, Snuffy.
Hello, Bird. Well, I'm all dressed for our adventure.
That's it? A hat?
It's my adventure hat, Bird.
And a nice one it is, too, Snuffy.
Thank you.
Okay, now, Snuff, let's go look for adventure.
Yes, let's. Oh.
Watch the door.
Yeah.
Nice move.
Well, Bird, do you see an adventure yet?
Not yet. Do you see one?
No, Bird. I don't see any adventure. What if we can't find one, Bird?
Gee, I don't know. Seems like...
Big Bird, Snuffy, look what I just made. A vegetable pie. I never made one before. Do you want some?
Well, we're looking for an adventure right now, Gina.
Oh, well, maybe you could stop looking for a while and have some. Come on, it's delicious.
I don't know. I've never had vegetable pie.
Me neither.
No? Well, then you have to try some. Come on. You know what? This could be your adventure. Come on. An adventure for your taste buds.
Hey, maybe she's onto something, Bird.
Yeah. We found our adventure, Snuff.
Yes.
Gina, we'll have some vegetable pie.
Oh, yes. Okay.
try some.
Hey, that's good. I like it. An adventure for my taste buds. Oh, Bird. And we thought we wouldn't find any adventures.
Well, you know, there's always something exciting happening on Sesame Street. You just have to know where to look.
Can I have some more? Well, what do you want to do for an adventure now, Bird? We already had an adventure with a vegetable pie.
Well, I know, Snuffy. We can have an adventure with this circle.
With that circle, Bird? How are we going to have an adventure with that circle?
We can pretend that this big circle is chasing us. See, we'll be running, and all of a sudden, this will come chasing right after it. Right after us, and then we'll run the other way, and it'll chase us again, and then we'll turn around and we'll run and run and run, and it'll chase right after us. What do you think, huh? Chase us back this way and chase us back that way?
I don't know, Bert.
So, what do you think, Snuff?
I don't think so, Bird. It's just not believable.
Yeah. So, do you want to have another adventure, Snuffy? You're still wearing your adventure hat.
I know that, Bird, but that adventure with the vegetable pie really wore me out.
Whoa, I know what you mean. And besides, how much adventure can one bird and one Snuffleupagus have in one day?
Yeah.
Besides, you know, Snuffy, it's time to say goodbye.
Oh, you're right, Bird. It is.
Well, do you remember that Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter A?
And the letter N?
Yeah, and Snuffy, the number 15.
Yes!
Well, bye. See you again.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Snuffy.
Come on, Bert.
Goodbye.
It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it big.
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Subscribe now by just clicking the above subscribe button.